Made a lot of almost love and a bit of that truck that got stuck a lot. Just later, Jacquie boys singing Jerry J. a song.